everyone. I am Dr. Ruby Sengal, Area Chair Human Resources at SCMS Noida. This year we are organizing an HR E-Conclave on 12th of September 2020. This conclave brings to you a platform which will give an astounding opportunity to all the curious minds who wish to learn from the aspiring leaders. We have been witnessing a drastic evolution of the roles of human resources in a workplace environment, of it being functional to strategic to an analytical entity, and now it is an exclusive body working on future-oriented predictions. HR aims to develop and retain the talent for facing upcoming challenges towards efficacious performance in the business world. So, let's discover what the corporate leaders have to say about these ongoing business scenarios and figure out our share of learnings from their experiences. We heartily open our doors to academicians, the corporate professionals, research scholars, as well as students to broaden their horizons and revolutionize the ideals and pedagogy of the HR domain through this edifying and illuminating conclave. We would also ask you to recommend this conclave to your friends. So see you at the conclave. Thank you so much.